by 6. Putting it up in my house and we'll take it outside. I cannot wait, guys. Okay, you guys, probably about approximately
24 hours later.
20 hours later, the greenhouse is complete. Hubby had no idea how long this was going to take, but it's complete and we're getting ready to move it over here and replace our trap greenhouse.
In the trap house.
It's been taped up and it has taken us a long way, but it's time to upgrade our greenhouse. Okay guys, the greenhouse is almost done. You are gonna love it. But meanwhile, here's an update of our seed babies. If you have not watched that video about how to store seeds inside, make sure you go back and check that out. But hey, everything is looking good. That's our dill, our lavender, salad mix. Everything is looking pretty good, guys. And look at that, those cucumbers back there. And I also started a second one like 3 days ago. 3 days ago, guys. Look at that corn already. Tomatoes, everything is looking good. So, yeah. These are my lights of choice, and I'm just going through and lining the greenhouse with these and securing it on the edge with some tape. Okay guys, everything is lit up and this is a little tour of my garden layout. So you can see what we got going on here using that cinder block method. And I promise to do a follow-up when things start growing. It's gonna be so beautiful, guys. And the greenhouse, once again, what's inside of the greenhouse. The only thing about this greenhouse is that this corner is a little tricky, so got to play around with that a little bit. But those are my racks that I brought from the previous greenhouse, and then I layered the bottom with cardboard to keep those weeds out. Oh my god, if you're a gardener you know weeds are from hell. But there we go, our lights, our fire pit. This is what it looks like from a little distance away. But yes guys, this is a nice little garden decoration idea. Just line your beds with a little lights and it brings it so much life. Okay, be sure to like, subscribe, share this video for people that need some gardening ideas. And until then, isn't that beautiful? I'll see you guys next week. Until then, bye for now.